You know that moment, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. Your brain slows, your body feels heavier, and your motivation disappears. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just out of rhythm. What if I told you your body already knows how to make more energy, but modern life has simply trained it to forget? Today I'll show you how to reset that rhythm and reignite the power that's still inside you. No stimulants, no hype, just the biology of being human again. Your energy isn't a straight line. It's a rhythm like the tide. After 50, that rhythm often falls out of sync because your circadian system, your internal clock, loses its morning signal. Too little sunlight, too much artificial light, and irregular meals confuse the body. Your brain thinks it's twilight when it's 2 p.m, so it starts releasing melatonin instead of energy hormones, and that's why you crash. The fix isn't another coffee or nap. It's a gentle reset of your inner daylight using your senses, your breath, and your movement. Here's where it begins: sunlight. When morning light hits your eyes, special receptors signal your brain to release cortisol, not the stress kind, but the wake-up kind. It tells your cells it's time to produce energy. Without that signal, your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, don't get the memo. That's why so many people feel half awake all day. Tomorrow morning, step outside within 10 minutes of waking, even cloudy light counts. Within a week, your energy rhythm will start syncing again. That simple habit, morning light, is your body's master reset switch. Like and subscribe to the channel so we can benefit you by creating more great content with you in mind. And as a thank you, download this video's free guide from the link in the description below. Let's go deeper inside the cell. Each cell has hundreds of mitochondria, tiny structures that turn food and oxygen into ATP, your energy currency. As we age, those mitochondria can become sluggish. The reason? Inactivity, dehydration, and low oxygen flow. But here's the good news. Mitochondria wake up with movement. Movement is not punishment. It's permission for your cells to breathe. Every time you walk briskly, stretch, or take deep breaths, you're increasing oxygen delivery, literally charging your cellular batteries. One small study showed that 3 minutes of light exercise every hour boosted mitochondrial efficiency by nearly 30%. 3 minutes, that's it. Forget hour-long workouts. Think micro-movements that reawaken your body's chemistry. So what happens at 2:30 p.m? Your body temperature dips slightly, your blood sugar drops, and your brain starts craving dopamine. That's the reward chemical. Coffee gives it a quick hit, but then steals it back an hour later. Instead, try this rhythm reset. Step 1. Drink a full glass of water. Fatigue is often dehydration in disguise. Step 2. Move your large muscles for 2 minutes. Squats, stretches, shoulder rolls. Step 3. Take 6 deep breaths. In 4 seconds, out 6. You'll feel oxygen surge and focus return. Your body isn't failing, it's just asking for a rhythm check. If you can, step into sunlight or look toward a window. You're reminding your body the day isn't over yet. Your breath is the bridge between energy and calm. When you exhale slowly, your vagus nerve, a major player in your parasympathetic system, signals your heart to slow down. That switch lowers stress hormones and frees energy for thinking and movement. You don't need an app or a guru. Just pause, breathe in for 4, hold for 2, out for 6. Do this 3 times. That's all it takes to shift your body from fight to fuel. You control your energy with your breath. It's the original biohack. Most people eat lunch that tells their body to take a nap. Heavy carbs and low protein spike blood sugar and then crash it. If you replace that with balanced meals, protein, fiber, and healthy fat, you keep insulin steady. That stability equals energy. Think salmon and veggies, eggs and avocado, lentils with olive oil. Simple, slow-burn fuel that keeps your mitochondria humming. Every meal whispers to your cells, rest or rise. There's another hidden booster, music. Listening to upbeat instrumental tracks around 120 beats per minute naturally aligns with your walking rhythm. Studies show it enhances endurance and releases dopamine, your brain's motivation spark. So next time that slump hits, don't reach for caffeine. Play something bright, get up, and move for one song. That's about 3 minutes and it works. One song is all it takes to reboot your system. Here's what few people realize. Your next day's energy starts the night before. If you expose your eyes to screens late at night, you suppress melatonin, your repair hormone. That leads to shallow sleep and sluggish mitochondria the next morning. So aim to dim lights and screens 90 minutes before bed. It's like telling your body, power down so we can recharge. You'll wake up clearer, lighter, and more focused. Tomorrow's energy is built tonight. Here's your quick start. Morning. Step outside within 10 minutes of waking. Midday. Move for 3 minutes, drink water, and breathe deeply. Evening. Lower your light, stretch, and listen to calm music. Do this for 1 week. You're not adding work. You're giving your body permission to remember how to make energy again. Energy isn't something you chase, it's something you unlock. Energy after 50 isn't about youth. It's about rhythm. Your body already knows how to thrive. It just needs the cues to wake up, move, and align with light again. So tomorrow, when the slump creeps in, don't reach for caffeine. Step into sunlight. Breathe deep. And remind yourself, you're not running out of energy. You're remembering how to use it. You don't age out of energy, you grow back into it.